Wengie, and I'm here with...
Yo, what's up guys? Hey!
Pancake Art! Today we're doing a pancake art challenge. You're really good at that, aren't you?
I don't know about good. My brother is very good at it. I am kind of on the opposite end of the spectrum, and I've been informed we only have a very limited amount of batter.
Collins has this habit of making giant pancakes.
It's a beautiful beach. See, they're like little clouds in the sea.
You gotta control yourself today.
It's only to compensate for the multitude of mistakes that are made during the actual making process.
Well, hopefully he's improved since the last time, because... Don't forget to also check out the video that we did on his channel. We did DIY prank.
Yeah, and she's the master of doing pranks. She taught me some crazy ones as well. And something kind of happened with her hair, so you guys might want to go check that out after this.
Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to the fam already, don't forget to click the button and you'll be entered into the MacBook Air giveaway I'm running right now. The other thing you need to do is subscribe to my second channel, Reacticorns, where we do daily reactions. So good luck for this video. Let's try and get this video to how many thumbs up should we do?
Oh gosh, I don't even know. That's a lot of pressure.
You're the guest. Let's make him like get the number.
Let's try to break a record on this video.
Oh.
All right, let's see if we can get 200,000 likes on this video.
Well, I've never asked for that many likes, so hope you guys can do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and click the like button. Have you guys done it? Awesome. Also click the bell button because that's super important. And without further ado, let's get on with the challenge. Let's get you
Like super sparkling and awesome.
Alright.
Oh, rolling. Hey, what's up?
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Got your creative juices going?
Oh yeah, they're all going right now.
Remember, we're gonna make small pancakes.
Yes,
Small.
I've got the memo. I got the memo.
You guys have seen we already have like this much batter, so you gotta be conservative. Alright, so the first challenge we're gonna do is poop emoji.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the poop emoji. Got a coconut spray this.
Yep.
Alright. Like enough?
That's enough, yeah, that was good.
No. You guys have to vote who did it better, you know, in the comments.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Well, this is my first pancake art challenge, so you've got one on me.
I've actually got two on. I've done this twice, which is even more sad.
You've done it twice? Oh no! I forgot I have to put the eyes down!
A decisive lead has been taken.
Okay, I'm gonna start again. I'm gonna save this pancake. I'm not gonna waste this pancake.
I believe in you, Wengie. You got this. Mine's looking more like a potato sack than an actual turd emoji.
And it's huge, as predicted.
That's like tiny for me. Yeah, but I said this is the smallest one I've ever made.
This was not a great start to my pancake art challenge.
Yeah, mine's got quite a little stem at the top of its head. Like you just pick it up and like. Now this is the most important part. This is the most dangerous part.
Oh wait, you gotta wait for me.
Oh, okay. You want to do simultaneous?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
One.
Oh! One. Oh!
Oh no, mine's like an unhappy poop emoji. What is this?
Mine's just very like discombobulated. It's just look at.
What I'm doing today.
You added cocoa to this one?
Yeah.
Because it smells amazing.
Really?
Like it actually smells like a delicious pancake right now.
Oh, awesome. We're gonna taste test this at the end.
Ooh.
3, 2, 1. These are our pancakes, guys, so don't forget to take the next 5 seconds to go down and vote Collins or Wengie. Team Wengie, guys.
What? Team Collins? Excuse me? Cool. I like your, is that a choker? I like it. This is my favorite one I've seen so far.
Oh, thank you. Me too. Alright, guys, we're doing the second challenge. Ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Okay, this is a bit harder. That was literally the easiest one.
What?
Yeah. One of my favorite emojis. Can you guess what it is?
I'm gonna say a unicorn?
Yes!
Yes!
Unicorn emoji time. It's actually kind of complicated.
I think the most difficult part of this entire thing is gonna be figuring out how to do it in a tiny little version.
Yes.
Because if I can use this entire thing to make a giant unicorn.
It's gonna look like a weird unicorn anyways, though.
Oh, we're both going with the same strategy here.
You forgot the nostril.
Oh, yes, thank you. She's helping me, I like this.
I am, because I know I'm gonna win anyway, so like, whatever.
What? What? That is not definitive in the slightest. The face is way too close to the eyeball.
I know, I'm like trying to judge all this, and like the ears, the back ear is...
That's like looking good. What colors are you using? I'm just gonna make very compact unicorn right now. That's my goal for this.
It's a mini corn.
Why is like everything you say like just like sound like so cute and adorable?
Because you add corn at the end. You can put on a monster voice, but I can't so cute.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same if I do it. Like, you're so cute. It's just not cute. You know what I mean? Oh man, now my dude's got a giant like boomerang head. It looks like a flipping boomerang.
I'm up to the horn, so we're gonna make a really pretty like ombre kind of. What is that?
It's a unicorn, okay?
It looks like a kangaroo.
So kangaroos are rather aggressive, I've seen.
Yeah, they like to punch people. So excited for this one, guys. I actually think this is gonna turn out really good.
Same.
What is that? I can't figure out if that's a kangaroo or rabbit.
Trust me, it can't figure it out either. Nailed it.
I can't even right now.
How did you get it so good?
Unicorns are my thing, so I could not ruin this one. So guys, I think you can like totally vote who won this round down below right now. We don't even need to flip it.
Whoa, the flip. The flip changes everything.
I reckon mine's ready to flip.
Reckon.
I reckon. Oh, that's not a thing here?
No.
Oh, what do you guys say? I
think.
I
believe.
I reckon.
Probably. I made a massive mistake. 3, 2, 1.
Bam! Yeah!
It looks like like an aardvark or something. Like it looks. How good hers looks. That is not fair.
Yes. Okay, guys, you're gonna vote down below now who won this round. Wengie or Collins?
She took the round. Like, I mean, if you like little pigs, then I clearly was the victor.
I know.
Can I get on the plate? My horn. Oh!
Now it looks really like Piglet.
Yeah. It lost the only unicorn part of it. It's like a little hat.
That's probably the best thing you could do with it right now.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Or put it in the trash, either way.
Alright guys, we're up to the third challenge. Hopefully this time you can win this one.
Well, actually, they've been voting this whole time, so you guys might have been voting for me all along.
You guys did, I think it's a lie. And you just think he's cute. The only reason why you're voting for him is not telling. We're gonna be doing Nyang Cat. Do you know what Nyang Cat is?
How do you say it?
Nyang Cat.
Nyang Cat.
Because in Japan, Nyang 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 is like the sound cats make.
Mmm. That's cool.
We don't have gray pancake mix.
Trust me, taking creative liberties is not at all an issue for me.
Outline.
The sizzle sounds so satisfying.
It does sound satisfying, but I feel like this is gonna take forever and I might have to turn this down. Ooh!
I must say, right off the bat, I don't know what happened, but what? How? Yours is gonna be huge!
Oh no, it is gonna be! Oh no, I made
the head like the smallest part of its body besides its feet.
I'm turning into you, Collins.
Yeah, and that's not a good thing. Oh, I need this little tail.
It looks like a truck, guys.
A very cute truck.
Oh, you're doing green dots.
Creating artwork.
Oh.
More innovation.
Okay, guys.
Oh, the innovation is clear.
What are you doing? Oh, you cut a bit off. That's a great idea for mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
mistakes?
I made a mistake. I think, I'm gonna go with the original color of the Pop-Tart. Oh, this is the most fun part. The rainbow. Okay, I don't have red, so I'm gonna go with the pink.
Oh, wonder where you got that idea from. Huh?
Oh, I wasn't looking on your side.
Sure.
Should I make the thing long? Oh. Should I make the thing long? Oh. You guys did not see me drop that on the screen.
Quite honestly, I think I'm crushing this one.
Me too. Look at that rainbow tail. Look at that rainbow tail.
The thing is, what I need to do in these videos is I need to like tap my brother in, and it's like he goes off and like creates my pancakes.
Lifeline. The lifeline.
I should do that.
Oh, it's kind of like a little cheese melt cat.
Yep. Yeah, you know, it's a little bit grilled cheese cat. You know what I mean?
I reckon. Do you think it's almost done?
Reckon.
It's so natural.
No, I love it. I love it. It's awesome.
This Nyang Cat's so big, I don't know if he's gonna break. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh.
Oh, another flippy thing. Okay.
Okay, cool.
You got it? 3, 2, 1.
No! 1.
No!
Oh my god, mine's gonna break too. Oh no!
Oh Oh no!
Okay,
Need help?
can you get in there? Can you get in
Yes.
Alright,
Okay.
let's make this teamwork. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! It looks so good though!
Yeah! Oh, we're gonna put it together.
I think it works! Mine never even actually flipped, so I've got to reflip mine.
Look.
My Nyan Cat's like, you shall not flip me. Oh my gosh!
Shall not be flipped.
There we go. Boom.
Ah!
That's a little bit saucy. I can get behind
That's
that.
actually really good. You might have won this round.
No.
I didn't.
Ow! Jesus.
Alright guys, so this is Nyan Cats.
Yeah, I'm not excited to eat the one that I literally just dropped on the floor.
We're gonna eat it at the end. So right now, vote down below who won. You guys can see the Nyan Cats here.
I would say the closest round we've had yet.
Alright guys, we're on to the 4th round. What is this? This is 7. This is gonna be the hardest one.
So here's what we're gonna do. My brother's an amazing artist, so I'm gonna tap out right now, and I'm gonna tap him in. So how do we do this?
Hey, what's up?
Okay, guys.
You guys.
Yeah, so he's like a master pancake maker. We're gonna switch right now.
Oh, we're gonna switch. All right. Let's
Is
do
this
it.
considered cheating, Collins? I don't know.
No, I
We
don't
didn't
think
talk
so.
about a lifeline in the
This is
beginning.
Key Bro powers.
I'm actually really worried because he's a great artist. I've seen his stuff and like I am amazed. Today's challenge for the 4th round is My Little Pony.
Wait, what? What?
Oh
my gosh. No, I don't even think I've seen the show. There's a show, right?
There's a show.
I'm scared. You have experience in this territory.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna sit down over here.
What? You're sitting down? There's no room.
All right, it's all good, Devin. We
What?
can make it work.
All right.
They're really tall, guys. They take up a lot of room.
This is definitely harder than any pancake I've ever done.
Support the Key Bros.
I think I'm gonna start with the hair first.
Well, don't tell us your strategy, bro.
Oh wait, I'm not gonna start with the hair first. I'm gonna start with the wings first. That's what I'm gonna start with.
Thank you. I believe in you. Thank you. But like, this isn't even like an easy image.
I know. If we have
Okay.
to draw the. Oh.
I need a paper towel. I missed.
Oh.
Oh, size violation. I'm so sorry. Okay, all right, I got it.
What? Are you good? What'd you do?
I forgot the eyes, dude.
Oh, that's what I
Are you
did the
kidding
first
me?
round.
It's been a while since I've done this
Okay,
one.
Devin, you know what
Oh,
you do.
no.
Oh my gosh, how could you forget the eyes?
I don't know. I don't know.
Bro, look at her pony, bro.
I know, it's much bigger. Should I just start over and make
Yes.
a bigger one?
I believe
Because
in you,
mine's
Devin.
really small.
Yes, Devin.
Yeah, I
Should
reckon
I-
you start over.
I think you need to turn it on a little bit higher too.
No, I don't want it higher. No, thank you.
Just kidding.
What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you?
Oh yeah, what? Was it this challenge? Was it this challenge?
This doesn't look like much, guys, but this eye is gonna be the bomb. You just wait.
Are you going? You're going for the one eye strategy?
It does have. Oh, it has 2 eyes. How did I not
And the
even-
victory has been
I
sealed.
don't even notice
I
that.
might have a chance.
Maybe I shouldn't give him a second chance. Like, this is looking really good.
Yeah, yo, he needed it. Can you imagine what I would have done with this round? I think I just don't have the patience for it. I look at the pancake and I already wanted to eat it.
Well, we have many of these things
Yeah.
ready.
All right.
And there's 3 of us now.
Oh yeah, we got this.
All right,
All
let's
3
get
of
up
us on one pancake.
Ready, guys?
Ready. I'm gonna go for the tail. Collins, you wanna go for the wings?
Yep, I'll go for the
Alright.
wings.
All right, let's do this.
Are you giving me the whole other part of the...
Yup.
But then you're gonna give me the big...
Oh! No! No! What did you do? What did you do?
Wow.
Collins.
I'm done.
Should we just let these dry for
I'm
like
done.
a little bit longer?
I'm sitting back
Yeah,
over
I
here.
think so.
I'm done.
I guess.
Where did Collins go?
Wait, where did he go? Oh, he's over
I'm in
here.
timeout back over here. I made a big mistake.
Oh, he timed out himself. Pretty good.
Yes.
That hair is gonna be
Here,
so
Collins.
tough.
Probably shouldn't.
Oh, okay.
I trust you, Collins.
All right.
Round 2.
So delicate, guys.
Oh no, it's so delicate.
Okay.
What happened?
All right.
Okay.
Ow!
This is not. Nope.
No.
It's not ready.
That's
I'm
not.
gonna let it burn. If it's a little burnt pony, that's okay. Ooh. Okay.
Oh,
3,
God.
2, 1. Wait,
It's done.
which way?
It's done.
No,
It's broken.
It broke in the middle.
Which way am I going?
Collins, you drop
My-
your end. You drop your end.
So this is gonna
I'll
work.
get it. No.
Oh,
what are you doing?
done.
All right.
Done.
Just flip it.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
Just flip it. Just go that way.
Oh!
Dude, those eyes
you need help with
You
yours?
want to reposition it?
You know
Or
what?
do you-
I'm just gonna go solo on this one.
Okay.
Good choice. Very good choice.
I think I've got this.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You
I've
got
got
the full
this.
thing.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
I've got it.
All right, you got
Ready?
it.
Ready? Ah!
Oh! That looks really good.
See, this was the result of me forgetting there was a second eye. It just has this really weird eye. Don't forget to vote down below, and we're gonna move on to the next challenge, which is a surprise final round challenge, guys.
But first, I need to send Devin back from whence he came.
True.
Oh, he's out. All right. Well,
Where did he go?
I have no idea, but I guess we're on to the next one.
I actually don't know what this is gonna look like either. I thought it'd be fun to have the final challenge to be us making a pancake of our face.
What?
So you're gonna draw Collins.
Oh no.
I would draw Wengie.
You have so much hair. There's so much to go off of.
I reckon this would be hilarious.
Oh my gosh. All right. I'm down for it.
Alright, so the final challenge is your face.
Since this is our last round, can I use up all the batter?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that what your face really looks like though?
Oh, you're about to find out. After watching Devin do his beautiful work, I am now like kind of inspired to do really good work. So prepare to be mind blown.
Oh, you have very sparkly eyes.
Oh, you don't even know where I'm going with this yet, do you?
Alright, gonna go with the face.
Why? The top got me. The top killed my mojo. Okay, boom. Eyeballs done and done. Eyebrows will be on fleek.
Oh, will they now? I have a lot of hair.
She has the best. Your hair is looking so good. This isn't even a fair thing. It should have been I try to draw Wengie and she tries to draw me.
You have a green nose.
Yeah, because you know, just yes, that'd be great. Thank you.
Sabotage!
Yeah, I was about to say, oh my god, this thing in my mouth got one shooting up.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, that's enough. That's enough, Wendy. Thank you very much.
How the hell are you gonna flip that?
No one knows. Not even me.
I can imagine like little Collins coming home from kindergarten going, Mom, this is me. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, there she is. My face, guys.
That looks awesome.
Okay, let me do this like. Does it look like it? Is that how it is?
So wait, so do I have to now recreate the face that I just made? Is that what it really is? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yo! That looks super scary. Holy cow.
Ready to do your best impression of your face?
Yeah, what am I even? It's like, I'm like.
Who won this round? I think it's one of your best works yet.
Oh, clearly.
It's time to eat the pancake. We've decided to eat our face.
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna like chill and eat this, and don't forget to check out a video we did on his channel. Super fun pranks, right?
So you guys can check that video out down in the description below. Oh, my eyes are about to pop out. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
That's disturbing.
Great.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
You guys are a Keeper Squad. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel and give the video a big thumbs up because Keeper Squad for the win.
You guys, Wengie Collins, don't forget to join the Keeper Squad over on his channel. Also, what did we do on Reacticons this